How to contact Exness customer support. First of all, open the app on your device. From your dashboard, tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the support section where you will find multiple options to contact Exness customer support. You can access the support hub to find answers to common questions, open a ticket by filling out the request form to receive a response from the team, use live chat to contact customer support instantly, or suggest a feature to share your ideas and help improve Exness. When contacting support, make sure to provide accurate account details and clearly describe your issue to receive quicker and more effective assistance. Exness customer support is available 24/7, so you can get help anytime for trading account issues, app problems, deposit, withdrawals, or order inquiries. Now you know how to contact Exness customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.